Well, we're set up here at Scofield Reservoir in our tents and got our lines in the water, and we've been doing pretty good. So, we'll see if we can catch any more here in the next few minutes. Oh. No. Thought I had a bite.
Takes forever to drop it down.
Once they hit the bottom, there's fish all over. I think I'm at the bottom. So we just have little jigs with worms on them, just normal earthworms, and about 2 reels off the bottom. What we found to be the best. Oh, I'm still on the bottom.
Caught over 20 fish today.
Yep. I'm getting a bite. I missed him. Set it back down, see if he'll take it again. Oh, yep, he's on it. He's on. Fish on. Ooh, feels like a decent one. Oh, he got off. It's a decent one, too. This is all we're using. Just a little grub with worm on it. Dang, that was a decent fish. Probably the biggest, hardest fighting fish I've hooked so far today. But yeah, once you get it down there to the bottom, it takes a little bit with these small jig heads, but they work.
Matter of time till you get a bite.
We've only caught one on the jaw jacker today, but they're not biting hard enough. Oh, right there. I'm just gonna drop it to the bottom. Most of the bites are at the bottom, but we've been getting quite a few as we're letting down. Let's see, let's get down to the bottom here. Oh, Derek just missed one. Let's drop back down.
Come on, you daggum thing.
I got a bite, I think. Yep, fish hooked on.
There you go, buddy.
Feels like a decent one. Ooh. Oh yeah. Decent one. Good little cutthroat. Maybe if he'll stop flopping around.
Let this just chill.
We're probably only going to fish for 5 or 10 more minutes, so hopefully we can...
Super Bowl Sunday.
Hopefully we can catch a couple more of these little beautiful fish. Whoa. He was ready to get out of there. Look at that, I still got my worm. So let's drop back down. There's the pliers if you need them.
Excellent.
Let's see, I'm wrapped around the tip. There we go. Dude. My phone just fell off the stand. Just about went into the ice hole.
That would have been
Oh man.
pretty bad.
It's about 3 inches away from the ice hole right there.
Shit, that would have been bad. Excuse my language.
Whoops. Oh man. Just send it back down to the bottom.
Fish. This is the longest I've been without getting a bite.
Probably stole your worm. Let's see. Whoa. Yeah, I'd probably check your worm.
Still on there.
Oh, I got one. Oh, man. How deep down am I? Oh, I can see it. Yeah, drop back down to the bottom. We were using mealworms, but we ran out, and we just had some of these normal worms laying around, and they're working a lot better. Man. Okay, let me just get back down to the bottom real quick, if I even can. Man, I'm still not at the bottom. I think it's like 35 feet here when we brought the fish finder yesterday. I think I'm at the bottom now. I don't think so. Nope. Okay. 2 reels off the bottom. Let's see if we can catch one. Huh. I wonder if a school has moved through here or something. You got a jaw jacker out there. Only caught one on him. So. You at the bottom yet, Derek?
Nope, it's taking me way too long. We're getting there.
Must have lost my worm if they're not biting it by now. Well, it's a pretty good morning at Scofield. I've only been here for about 2 hours and probably caught about 20 between both of us, 20 or more. I'm gonna reel mine up and check.
There we go. Finally at the bottom.
You got set up?
Yep.
Nope, I still got my worm on there. It must be getting a little iffy now. Forgot the fish finder today, the batteries are dead. Oh, Derek over here is getting a bite.
A little nibble. Wait. Okay, little fish.
You still biting?
Yep.
Oh, I'm missing. Close.
We're gonna get him.
Come on.
Oh. Man, can't set the daggum hook.
I'm dropping to the bottom over here. Haven't seen much, so. Derek's got a bite. See what happens. Oh. I got one.
You got one?
Here, hold the camera. Got him.
Look at that.
Wasn't even on the bottom.
Can't really see him over there, but
Dropping down. Ooh, it's
he
a
knows,
good one.
He knows how to set the hook.
It's a decent little fish. Whoa. Ah, he spit my worm off my hook. We can get him. Just these beautiful cuts up here at Scofield. So we'll drop back down. If I can get the hook out. There you go, little buddy. I wasn't even at the bottom on that one. So let's see if we can film Derek getting one. Get the bait back on the hook. We'll probably fish for about 2 more minutes or so. Wish we could stay longer, but that's how it is. Let's get some worm on here. What time is it?
It is 10:50.
It's 10:50. We got to take down this tent in record time. We can do it. We'll give it 10 more minutes. We can take down this tent quick.
This damn thing pissing me off.
But for sure, if you guys don't have any of these Eskimo tents or ice fishing tent, you got to get one. We fished yesterday and it was so windy. And you couldn't even tell when you got a bite because it was so windy. But today, it's still pretty windy. But we decided to bring the tent out and it's helped a lot. So, today is...
Stupid fish.
What's today? February 3rd? 4th. February 4th, 2018. Scofield is heating up.
Oh, those dang little buggers took my worm.
We got 14 inches of ice out here. No snow on top. There's a little bit, but... Oh, right there. Take it again.
As you can see who the
Oh, right there. Got him.
fisherman is here.
Ooh, feels like a decent one. Ooh. Nope, small little guy.
I'll tell you what, they fight a lot harder in the ice than they do.
Alright. Hooked myself. Most of the fish that I've been catching are I'm dropping down and I have a whole bunch of slack out. And every once in a while I like to tighten up the slack and set the hook really hard. So I'm almost guaranteed a fish is on it. That's working. That's what I just barely did. Drop back down. Jawjacker hasn't been set off in a little bit. Take the seat for a minute. Getting worn out.
Come on. Let's get a fish.
Let's see how many we can catch in the last 10 minutes of the fish. This may be the last time we get up here ice fishing this year. I hope not, but probably will be.
We got a fish down there.
See how many we can catch in the last 10 minutes.
Oh yeah, my back's hurting.
Come on, get to the bottom.
Sing my sing.
Man, it's not that deep, but these jig heads are so small it takes them forever.
Slowly but surely.
We found these baits to be the best here, just little grubs. Tried some little Rapalas. I only hooked one, got off.
Got a few on the Swedish pimp.
Yeah, Swedish pimples are all right here. Yep, I'm on the bottom. Okay. I'm just waiting for the fish. Just waiting for the bite. Let's see, the jawjacker's still set. Yep. Eric, you got anything? You at the bottom yet?
We're getting there.
You getting there?
Getting there. I think we might be there.
Yep.
Alright, we're gonna set this on here.
I wonder if it's still windy out there.
Stand, bro.
Can you watch my pole for a second?
Yes, sir.
It's still a little windy, but there's some guys set up down there. Whoa. Oh, there's guys set up over in that cove.
Is there?
Yeah, they must have just showed up. And then there's another tent down by the dam.